Hey guys, I just did a bearing replacement on my 98 Audi A4 Quattro with the 2.8 liter V6. I did the inner and outer bearing on this. I just want to show you guys what the bearing looks like when I took it out. Here was the bearing when I took it out. It was making a bunch of clanging. I was gonna make a video of me doing the bearing replacement and uninstall, but I forgot. So I just want to show you guys the bearing. Here's one of my exhaust pipes I took off. That's why it's too loud. I got a straight pipe. So I cut all this off, as you can see where it's cut. And if you're interested in watching, I'm putting all new spark plugs in. And I'll let you guys hear what it sounds like. Like and subscribe.